Let me explain the usage method of ET Apple Central Control to everyone. Open the Central Control, first register an account, fill in the registration information, and then register. Register and log in directly. Enter your account password and click Remember Password. The account we just registered is in trial status and we need to contact customer service to obtain a free membership. Restarting the software will take effect. If the driver is fine and the computer environment is correct, the disconnected phone will be displayed. If the disconnected phone is not displayed, we can click on the driver installation icon, then restart the software. Open the phone list, click on these three icons, and select the corresponding model system. Some models here are universal, such as SE Airways 6S, 6SP, and 7P, 8P. Randomly select a small screen phone. Insert the iPhone into the computer case and click to find the phone. The light will flash. Open the phone settings and display Ethernet and IP, indicating that the phone is functioning properly and the hardware of this port on the chassis is normal. If there are multiple phones that can be initialized in batches, click on the top to initialize the device. If we test this phone, just click on the initial operation below. Initialization successful. Click to exit. At this moment, our initialization work has been completed. If it fails, please check your phone settings. Click on the corresponding light on your phone and it will flash. One successful initialization is sufficient, and the next restart will automatically connect. If the initialization is disconnected, you can also click to disconnect and reconnect, and the screen will. You can annotate the location of the phone in the phone list, and the corresponding serial number can be written for sorting. For example, if this field is E, I will write E. Generally, if a mobile phone displays a screen mirroring failure, use iTools to fix the environment. iTools can wirelessly mirroring successfully, and then use the ET Central Control to restore the N. The first usage method of ET jailbreak-free Central Control has been explained. If you still don't understand, please contact sales for technical support.